Nnamdi Kanu's trial is about to resume, but there is a little problem. His lawyer posted on his Twitter handle that they won't be part of any process that involves a judge that is biased, and that is Binta Iyaku, whom Nnamdi Kanu had openly in a court challenged her neutrality, and therefore they are asking for the woman to actually recuse herself from the process. Remember, the first judge that had this case also recused himself, and the case was transferred to this Binta Yako. Sometimes, I think about 2 or 3 years ago, she actually did recuse herself, but the Supreme Court sent the case file back to her that she should continue the case because she has been on this case for the longest period of time, and she would know everything about the case. So it's actually going to be a long ride for the leader of the IPOB. Has been in detention for past 4 years for alleged terrorism and other charges. And remember, the Federal High Court has ruled that he should actually be released severally, but the federal government, the executive arm of the government, held him back. So we'll see what happens. Remember, his supposed deputy, who is the Biafran Prime Minister in exile, Mazi Simon Ekpa, is also in prison in Finland. He's also going through trial. And remember, two of those his associates that were actually arrested. Remember, 4 of them were arrested, plus Simon Ekpa, 2 have actually regained their freedom. According to some of the report, 2 of those guys who were arrested with Simon Ekpa in Finland have actually regained their freedom. They were actually placed under arrest in Finland for further investigation, according to what the Finland police said late last year when they were arrested in connection with financing of terrorism and extortion. So let's see what happens. The trial of Nnamdi Kanu, Simon Ekpa, I mean to say, also starts this year. Also, I think it's going to be this month, sometimes this month also. And Nnamdi Kanu also trial also wants to resume. So let's see what happens, whether the judge Binta Yako is going to recuse herself, and if she does, the trial will continue. But Nnamdi Kanu's defense lawyer, the chief defense lawyer, our lawyer McCoy, is saying that they won't be part of any process if Justice Binta Yako still remains as the judge, that her neutrality is in question. And according to his tweet, which you see on this screen, that he said the Supreme Court has also affirmed that her neutrality is also at stake.